morning, class.
Good morning, Miss Margolis.
You may take your seat. Thank you, Mom. Okay, class. Now we will discuss about photosynthesis. But first, I want to know how do you learn this?
Ma'am.
Yes, Kapuso?
Ma'am, for me, I understand better when I see pictures or diagrams.
Great, Kapuso. How about the others? Okay, Miss Veloces?
Ma'am, for me, I like listening to explanations and discussions.
Okay, Miss Damian?
I prefer doing experiments or activities, Ma'am.
Perfect. So now, I will give you an activity. Alright, we'll draw the process of photosynthesis. Sinilio and Pininola, you'll explain in verb. I will just give you 10 minutes to do the activity. Your timer starts. You can form a circle. Okay, class, the 10 minutes is over. Are you all ready?
Yeah!
Sinilio and Pininola, please proceed in front. Okay, everyone, so today this is how the photosynthesis happens. Example of how photosynthesis works.
And also, as you can see there, this is the example of photosynthesis. It gives plants water and make food.
Very good. You can take your seat now. Now, we'll learn something new from our activity today. Yes, Miss Diane?
I usually just listen, but seeing the diagram made it clearer.
Okay, you can take your seat. That's great. Today, instead of me choosing the activity, we'll decide how to present what we learned about photosynthesis. Are we all clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now do you have any idea?
Mom, maybe we can make a short film.
What? Can you repeat?
Maybe we can make a short film.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, Miss Veloz?
maybe we can also make a poster.
That's great.
Ma'am,
Yes?
Podcast style discussion.
Excellent ideas. As you can choose that among the three suggested activities. And I will group you into two groups. Violoses, Pinyanola, Orai, and Diane will be the group 1 and the rest will be the group 2. Are we all clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Melissa, after that, can I borrow your crayon?
No.
It's a Why? Because it's fake.
Are you all done, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now how do you feel?
It feels nice to decide how to learn, ma'am. It makes me more confident.
Okay? That's exactly what autonomy means. Taking charge of your own learning.
Pininola, is something bothering you? I just find the topic boring.
Thank you for being honest. What if you connect the lesson to something you like? What are your